Hello, today we will be talking about two-factor authentication using the InEvent platform. First, you click on your name, then go to View My Account. Here you can set your email address and your telephone. So just click on the Edit button and add your email and your telephone. After that, click on the Done button, then go to Set Security Settings. You can see that two-factor authentication is disabled, so I can enable it using my email or my telephone. So I'm going to use my email. I'm going to receive the 6-digit code, so let's refresh. There it is. So I'm going to paste it. So you can see that two-factor authentication is now enabled. So every time I have to log into the platform, it's going to ask me to verify my email or my SMS or using the SMS services so I can log into the platform. There it is, a new code. There it is.